Market recap for Tuesday, October 15th. Tuesday's cattle auction day at the Kingsville Livestock Auction. They're expecting about 2,500 head for Tuesday. Some stick-out sales for Tuesday. 223 head of 715-pound heifers at $256.75. 87 head of 673-pound steers at $298. 83 head of 667-pound heifers, $269.75. 73 head of 687-pound heifers at $262.50. And 58 head of 913-pound steers at $239.85. Ozarks Regional Stockyards in West Plains also having a sale for Tuesday. Some stickouts there. 42 head of 774-pound steers at $254. 50 head of 778-pound steers at $248. 40 head of 716-pound heifers, $238.50. 37 head of 620-pound steers at $280. Looking at Cuba at the Interstate Regional Stockyards, some stickout sales there for Tuesday. 120 head of 836-pound steers at $246. 88 head of 735-pound steers at $256. 83 head of 643-pound steers at $273.75. 73 head of 770-pound steers at $253. Thus far for Tuesday in the Southern Plains, Nebraska, and the Texas Panhandle, negotiated cash trade has been at a standstill. There has been a handful of dress-delivered sales in the Western Corn Belt at $296. Estimated daily livestock slaughter under federal inspection from Tuesday. Estimated cattle receipts at 125,000. 1,000 more than last week and 2,000 less than a year ago. The week-to-day estimate 245,000. Estimated hog receipts for Tuesday 487,000. 3,000 more than last week and 5,000 more than a year ago. The week-to-day estimate 960,000. Daily direct afternoon hog report, barrels and gilts, nationwide head count, 4,410 head from 73.5 to 79. Weighted average 76.80 up 233 from the previous report. Looking at the Missouri cash grain bids paid to producers, the daily trends for Tuesday: soybeans 5 lower to 15 higher, wheat 6 lower, corn 7 lower to 1 higher. Corn bids in St. Louis 391 to 396, Kansas City 356 to 361, Milo in St. Louis at 463. Soybeans in St. Louis 999 to 1006, Kansas City 921 to 961, and wheat bids in St. Louis at 490 to 540. Closing futures on the Chicago Board of Trade corn contracts: December 401 1/4 down 7, March 417 1/2 down 7 1/4, and May 426 down 7 cents. November soybeans down a nickel at 9.91, January down 8 at 10.03 1/2, March down 8 1/2 at 10.16 3/4. December wheat down 5 3/4, 5.79 1/2, March down 6 1/2 at $6.03, May down 7 1/2 at 6.11 1/2. On the Mercantile Exchange, live cattle October 186.72 down 152, December 186.52 down 140, and February 187.40 down 130. Feeder cattle contracts October 246.52 down 260, November 246.47 down 310, January 244.22 down 337. Lean hogs December 75.22 down 57, February 79.30 down 52, and April 83.80 down 40 cents. This week's Missouri Progress Report was released on Tuesday afternoon. Harvest progression for the week at 73%. That's compared to a year ago at 62% and the 5-year average of 58%. Soybean harvest at 41% completed, steady with a year ago and the 5-year average at 28%. Winter wheat planted at 22% completed, compared to last year at this time at 27%, the 5-year average at 26%. Of that has been planted, 4% has emerged, compared to a year ago at 5% and the 5-year average of 8%. That's your market recap for Tuesday, October 15th with the Missouri Department of Agriculture. This is Caroline Carter. Have a good day.